Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, you have to open Play Store, then you have to tap here, go to the My Apps and Games. Here you can see all of your unupdated apps and games. You can update them one by one by tapping update button next to them, or you can just tap this update all button and update them all at once, but it could take some time, so it's for you to decide how you can update your apps, like if you want to update them one by one or update them all at once. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.